How are you? So today we're filming from here because my siblings have occupied my usual space. I'm not angry about it. Not in the least bit. Today we'll be upcycling this shirt. This faux satin silk top. So when I bought her, I didn't try her on. Mistake number one. And my bust doesn't fit into this. I have therefore not been able to wear this top. So today we're gonna upcycle her into a little something something that hopefully I like and that I will wear. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up this here side seam with seam ripper. Should be a great deal of fun if you can't tell by the tone of my voice. This is her. So I want to cut it to have a curve. Like this. Is that even visible? And also in the back. I want to curve it. So I'm gonna go do that. Hopefully that looks nice because I've already cut it. So I'm gonna pin this down. And then I'm going to use this shape on the front to cut a similar one on the back. We're going to repeat on the other side. Okay, so I rounded out the edges. I want to do that. I don't know. We got a nice smooth. We have a nice jagged edge. So now I'm going to hem this. So now we are going to mark the places that we want our loop to go. So I'm going to use our handy dandy measuring tape. And starting from the top. I think I'm gonna mark them 2 inches apart, going all the way down to the button. The first one over here. Then, if you know your 2's timetable, 4, 6. Someone say it with me. 8, 10. So I'm just gonna mirror those marks on the back and also on the opposite side. And those are 5 loops. So we'll be making 20 loops. Fun! So these are the scraps from what we cut off on the shirt. Clearly these are not going to be enough for 20 loops. So here is my solution. I know what you're thinking. Hey, those aren't the same colors. Yeah, I hear you. But I'm still going to use it. So if it bothers you, that's too bad. It's unfortunate. I am using scissors to cut rectangles of fabric. Here we go, no turning back. So that's something by something. We're gonna use 20 of those.
5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20. So we fold, we sew, we turn her inside out, and she becomes a loop, just like that. So, I'm just gonna cut off some of these fraying threads. And then using our handy dandy screwdriver, I'm gonna push in the end. I'm gonna sew here. I'm gonna take this, fold it in half. And while we made that mark earlier, just gonna place her there and pin her in place. I'm gonna do that for the rest of them. So I finished pinning them down. It's about 12:30 in the morning, and I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna sew them on. Cotton threads. So now that the loops are on, I want to figure out how long the tie has to be. So I have some yarn. This is the only method that I could come up with, I guess. And I'm just gonna loop this yarn through, then try it on and see if I am okay with the length. Upon which I will then cut out something from this here fabric. I realized I was using a black yarn and you couldn't even see it, so I had to put a piece of paper. But minus the piece of paper, I'm pretty okay with that fit. So it's longer than 60 inches. So I've added 30 inches to the 60-inch measurement I made earlier because I want the ties to be really long. So I have cut 4 strips of fabric. 2 of them are 60 inches by 2 inches and the other 2 are 30 inches by 2 inches. So I'm going to take a 60-inch one and a 30-inch one and attach them together. Then I am going to fold them, sew them down, turn them inside out, and we should be done. It, and I'm going to fold it and sew it down. I'm happy with it.